Today we will teach you how to change the APK of the display and how to change the images and or videos in their display. And here we need to prepare a mouse here, and also we need to prepare a mouse here. This is what we need. And the first thing or you look at the display, and now it is like this. And later on we need to change the picture, and also we want to update the APK. Okay, insert our mouse here, and you can see this is the rich medium folder, and we put the images like this here. You can see the image. Okay, this is what we want to put in the display. And also we prepare an APK here. This is the APK. Okay, let's go to the display. Okay, those are two USBs, and you can use one for the mouse because you need to operate the inside system, and the other one you put the mouse. Wait, and now the display interface is like this, and we need to restart the display. Just the power off and then power on is okay. Wait for a while. The display is starting. Okay, then we use the mouse to update the image, and first it will catch the image automatically. Check USB with configuration file to have changed. You need to confirm, but no need. Wait for the time. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It will delete the original configuration file, the pictures or the videos, and change to the new pictures or videos you have input in your U-disk. And now it is configured successfully. You can see the new image here. And now we use our mouse. Okay, we click 3 times here. You must not ignore this step. It will cancel the monitor of the display, and then you right-click the mouse into the system and pull up. You find the files, and you need to find your own U-disk. You find the APK here, and then you update. Click, and then it will update, and then you exit, and you click the rich medium to start the interface, and then you click right-click the mouse 3 times to start the monitor, which is okay. After all the process, and you need to power off and then power on. Just restart the display, and all the process will be finished. Okay, then the update of the program and the pictures of videos has finished, and you can follow our steps to finish.